Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to look at this. So this is the 1965 Ford C900 and this is by Matchbox, and let's open and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So only this front part is made of metal and this entire trailer is actually made of plastic. I thought this is made of metal, but no. This entire section is made of plastic. And it is like front heavy, if you keep it like this, it is pulling this part down, but still it looks really nice. The rims looks really nice. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.